Hakotorni Montri Bokrong Narendra Modi ni Tuidul Mumbai Haino Hai Hayongni Jotoni Shlai Kuchukotor Asuk Thayo Asuknani Thangai Tongo Bharat Hakotor Tansgalo Rajakhora Agulini Bhavans Tripura Vidyamandir ni Foundation Day te Mahatma Gandhi ni Achaimani Panda Okok Shanani Thangai Okok Shaka Hastini Montri Okra Dr. Manik-Saha Tansgalo Khlaijakha Rajakhora Agulini Bhavans Tripura Vidyamandir ni Foundation Day te Mahatma Gandhi ni Achaimani Panda Pandawa naroi okra ngai manjaka hastini Montri okra Dr. Manik-Saha Panda ni puila bakhakno Bhavans Tripura Vidyamandir ni Saraswati Matai nokni doglamno phiyogoi rekha hastini Montri okra Dr. Manik-Saha Panda okok sanani thangai hastini Montri okra Dr. Manik-Saha saka Hakotorni Montri Bokrong Narendra Modi ni Tuidul Mumbai Haino Hai Hayongni Jotoni Shlai Kuchukotor Asuk Thayo Asuknani Thangai Tongo Bharat Hakotor Hanai
I am extremely happy to be present in Bhavans, Tripura. At the outset, I congratulate and thank all of you on the 28th Foundation Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Already my previous speakers have put down the history of Bhavans, Tripura, how it has been set up in Tripura. We know that the Bhavans, Tripura is a state of art in Tripura. We already heard that thousands of students have passed from this school and established in different fields in abroad, the country and state as well. These institutions have already earned the name and fame of our state across the state and the country. I am extremely enjoyed the different kinds of cultural activity performed by our beloved students of this institution. This is the first time that I have come here over here because of your invitation. For this again I give my thanks. And our Honorable Prime Minister always says that the future of the country will be in the hands of those who will have value-based education and which have been provided by the revered teachers of this institution. You know, by the grace of our God, that our country, when it was Akhanda Bharat, was protected by seas in three sides, and on the north side it was protected by the Himalaya. But the beautiful India was rooted by foreigners like Mughals and British. We know that once upon a time the students come to India for their study and even for treatment also they used to come to India. So these things in G20 our Honorable Prime Minister has put down among all the leaders of the country. And he also mentioned that under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, India is again placed the position of Vishwaguru. You have seen G20, when I was also one of the delegates over there, I have seen how the leaders of the country have appreciated our Honorable Prime Minister. And you know that I am also a teacher of a medical college. I know the relation of the teacher and students. And here the river teachers are here. But we know that before we enter the class, we usually be prepared Dr. Mukudi is also here. And we do not underestimate the students. They also know more than us sometimes. Because of this internet, although we have books, they have studied, even though the new edition they have seen from the social media. So before you enter the class, the teacher also should get prepared that any question may come from the students. And as a teacher, we should not understand.
Abo haikeno Panda kok sanani thangai hasteni montri okra Dr. Manik Sahatei bosaka haste hafangbo chaito guitongo school teachers rok tuition Khlaimani mothangnani bagai henai Panda hasteni montri okra Dr. Manik Sahano karaibo manjaka AMC ni mayor Dipok Majumdar no khoboi kubun azamarok Rajakhara aguli ni simi pranopni kokthum Chini Khorang